Hey there, job seekers and aspiring web developers. Welcome back to Placements Nepal, your go-to channel to the hottest job opportunities in Nepal and outside. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting job updates like this one. Now let's dive into today's fantastic job opportunity. Today we have an exciting work from home internship opportunity for all you budding web developers out there. It's with a company called WebCoodee and it's all about web development. So if you are passionate about coding, designing and creating awesome websites, this one's for you. Now let's talk about what you will be doing as a web development intern at WebCoodee. Your day-to-day responsibilities include collaborating with the design team to understand project requirements and objectives, assisting in designing website layout, user interfaces and other visual elements, creating and optimizing graphics, images and other multimedia assets for web views, conducting research on the latest design trends, user behaviors and emerging technologies. Isn't that exciting? You'll be gaining valuable experience working on real-world projects under the guidance of experienced professionals. Plus, you'll enhance your designing skills and stay up to date with the latest web technologies. Now let's talk about the skills you'll need to excel in this role. The skills are CSS, HTML, JavaScript, MySQL, PHP, UI and UX design. If you are looking to boost your skills in these areas, this internship is a perfect opportunity. You can even earn certificates to add your portfolio. So if you are looking to start your web development career and work from the comfort of your own home, this internship at WebCoodee could be your break. Remember, you need to apply by October 4th, 2023 and the internship starts immediately. Don't miss out on this chance to learn, grow and network with industry experts. How can you apply to this internship? I have provided the link to this application in the description of this video. Click on that link and you will come to this interface. So then you have to directly click on apply button and your details will be taken from Internsala profile. And if you get selected, it will be reflected in the interface of this platform itself. Before we wrap up, here's a little tip to make your application stand out. Craft a clear resume and cover letter that highlights your relevant skills and enthusiasm for web development. And guess what? WebCoodee loves supporting women who want to start or restart their career. So all your fantastic ladies out there, apply away. That's a wrap for today's job opportunity at WebCoodee. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more job updates. And remember, stay motivated, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video. Best of luck with your application, and until next time, this is Placements Nepal signing off.